Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a dedicated project list in Google Tasks. Name it so it's unmistakable. Add 3-5 top-level tasks that represent milestones, then immediately assign due dates and priorities so work surfaces in Gmail and Calendar. Once done, open a task and add subtasks for actionable steps, plus short notes that capture requirements or links. Make sure to sync across devices so you never lose context. This setup forces a clear work structure and reduces decision friction later. You now focus on execution. Break each milestone into measurable subtasks with specific dates so progress is visible. Drag tasks to order them by priority and use the notes field to capture acceptance criteria, links, or quick estimates. Once subtasks exist, leverage copy or duplicate for recurring work and link related lists by naming conventions. Make sure to review calendar integration so due dates appear where you plan time. This alignment helps you turn a list into a reliable workflow. You finish by running a weekly review, update statuses, adjust dates, and mark completed tasks so the list reflects reality. Once done, archive or rename finished lists to keep your workspace focused and reflect on what took longer so future estimates improve. If something goes wrong, like missing tasks or no sync, first check which Google account is signed in and app permissions. Often toggling sync or reconnecting the account fixes it. This closing loop keeps projects predictable and learnable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.